America is the wealthiest country in the world. Statistics show America accounts for more than 25% of the world's wealth, is home to 536 billionaires and nearly 7 million millionaires. However, even with all this wealth, 80% of Americans feel like they are falling behind financially. Even the Social Security Administration reported that for every 100 people born in America, by the time their 65th birthday arrives, 36 are dead. 54 are financially dependent on family or welfare. 5 are still working. 4 are financially successful, and 1 is wealthy. Corporate wages are stagnant. Most companies have dumped their pensions and economic growth is slow. The bottom line is, for most people, old-line financial strategies are not working. Millions of people are looking for alternative ways to improve their finances. Most people need more cash flow and better financial strategies. myEcon is a 10-year-old technology-driven company created by a small group of financial professionals to empower people to attain financial success. The company has helped thousands of people financially, and some have become millionaires. myEcon has done this by helping people increase their cash flow multiple ways, using its powerful personal financial success system. The system is based on 3 smart cash flow strategies. The 3 strategies are minimize taxes, generate business income, and asset accumulation. The system works because it empowers associates to acquire additional cash flow by minimizing their taxes and generating business income. Associates use the extra cash flow to eliminate their debt, which frees up even more cash flow. Investing the extra cash flow powers associates to accumulate assets and attain financial success. Our first strategy, minimizing taxes, is essential because Americans lose about 1/3 of their income to taxes. We help our associates minimize their taxes by 2 methods. The first method, correct tax withholding, is important because 80% of all employees have too much money withheld from their paycheck for taxes. When too much money is withheld, the employee is unable to use that money. We help our associates maximize take-home pay and use it for investing or debt elimination. The strategy is amazing because if an employee increases his take-home pay by $500 monthly and invests it at an 8% rate of return, he will have almost $175,000 in 15 years and over $745,000 in 30 years. If the employee uses the extra $500 monthly for debt elimination, he can pay off a $200,000 mortgage in 14 years and 11 months instead of 30 years. The bottom line is, maximizing take-home pay and using it for investing or debt elimination can be life-changing. Our next method for minimizing taxes is maximizing business deductions via a home-based business. Home-based business owners have access to hundreds of deductions that employees do not. Because our associates are home-based business owners, they have access to hundreds of new deductions. Let's look at a few examples. Associates buy their cars for personal use, but if they use them in business, some of the expenses become tax-deductible business expenses. The same concept applies to cell phones, internet access, and travel. Associates can also hire their children as employees and pay them tax-deductible wages instead of giving them allowances. The concept is powerful. According to the Tax Reduction Institute, the average home-based business owner realizes thousands of dollars in additional tax deductions annually. The second strategy, generating business income, is important because millions of people want more income but cannot get a significant pay raise on their job. myEcon provides each associate with a world-class business system, which includes a personalized website, marketing, training, and leadership support. The opportunity for associates to generate income is almost limitless. Government statistics show there are over 100 million employees that lose thousands of dollars annually by overpaying their taxes, paying high interest on debt, and earning little, if any, money from investing. Millions of Americans need more cash flow and better financial strategies. Fortunately, myEcon has the solution. Our flagship product, our Financial Success Membership, is a combination of financial strategies, software, and products that empower our associates to improve their personal finances. The membership includes our Cash Flow Manager software, which enables associates to minimize their taxes, to set up strategic debt elimination plans, and to create personalized asset accumulation strategies. The membership also includes tax advice, income tax preparation, identity theft protection, discount legal services, financial training, and credit restoration services. We also market discount travel, all-natural nutritional products, and millions of other products via our online mall, which promotes hundreds of stores. Many of the stores are household names like Walmart, Macy's, and Best Buy. myEcon associates refer customers to their personalized websites, where customers shop online and save money. Associates earn commissions and have no responsibility for shipping, customer service, or inventory. Associates earn up to 50% on personal sales, up to 30% on team sales, unlimited weekly bonuses, and unlimited residual income. Generating income with myEcon is simple and fast. Our third strategy, asset accumulation, is essential because we must accumulate income-producing assets to attain financial success. Income-producing assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, 401ks, and annuities provide passive income. Passive income provides financial stability, financial freedom, and eventually, retirement. Everybody needs to turn some of their cash flow and labor into income-producing assets. We provide ongoing training on asset accumulation strategies. Our goal is to help millions of people attain financial success by acquiring more cash flow and using better financial strategies. Associates acquire extra cash flow by minimizing their taxes, generating business income, and debt elimination. Using some of the extra cash flow for investing empowers them to attain financial success or even become millionaires. Imagine investing an extra $500 to $5,000 monthly and watching your assets grow. The system is powerful and life-changing. Millions of people desire more financial success, but most need more cash flow and better financial strategies. If you are one of those people, you are in the right place at the right time, because myEcon's personal financial success system is the solution. When you enroll, you receive a personalized website, a world-class business system, world-class financial software, valuable tax benefits, plus world-class support and recognition. Enroll today and begin making and saving money immediately.